How to use coupons on Shein app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, you can open up your Shein app on your device, or you can also go to any browser and open up the Shein website. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can see the Me section at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on Me, and as you tap on, you'll be led to your profile. So you're over here, you can see the option of coupons above my orders. So just tap on coupons, and as you tap on coupons, you'll be able to see your coupons that are available for you. There are three sections: unused, used, and expired. Now as you tap on the coupons that have not been used, you can see there are two coupons right now. The one is 15% off, next is free shipping. Now there's no minimum purchase over here in free shipping, so you can apply it directly. Now for 15% off, you need to spend of $15 max. So what you need to do is just tap on apply, and you just have to add items to use those 15% off coupon. So you just need to select any product that you want. So I'm just going to select any product randomly over here. Now after adding this to the cart, I'm going to go and tap on apply again, and then go to checkout, as now it says I'm eligible for the coupons to be used. So I'll just have to check out on the items and I'll get a 15% off discounts and use the coupons. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.